Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind the person or object using Picsart. So let's get started. First, open your image inside the Picsart. We need to separate our subject from the background. So that, click on this cutout, draw around the subject. I'm going to reduce the size of the brush and erase the background inside the hand. Then click on save. This will save it as a transparent image. Now we separated our subject from the background. So discard this image and open the subject image again. And click on text. Type in the text. Scale the text to fit inside the canvas, and you can also change the font you like. Position the text. Then click on the plus icon on the top and add photo. Add that transparent image we just created. Scale and position it until it syncs with the current image. After that, click on the tick icon on the top right corner. Then save the image. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon on so that you can get quick notification if I upload a video. Thanks for watching, bye.